Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join Team Green Bean on Grow a Garden. So actually, it is also in the game itself. If you go to the one near the seed shop, if you go to the seed shop, you're going to want to turn left, and it's like at the corner of the whole like lot, I guess. You're just going to talk to Elder Bean. Hello, my beanling. What can I do for you? Select I want to join the cause. And then you're going to press OK. You're going to press OK here. I already have it, so I don't need it anymore. It is also free, by the way, so anyone can basically get this. But yeah, that is basically how you can join the Team Green Bean for this weekend's update. If you're on Team Grow a Garden, there's going to be like a war, Grow a Garden versus Steal a Brain Rot. So if you're Team Grow a Garden, put this on, and I hear that you'll get some rewards, so make sure you put it on this weekend. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.